Hello there, welcome to another educational video from Chitosan Nutrition. Today we're going to be talking about dietary fibres, namely one of our most popular products, the Chitosan Fibre Complex. Now Chitosan is a dietary fibre. It's blended with fenugreek to assist with the maintenance of regular bowel movements and also appetite suppression in a controlled calorie diet. Now what this also does is block the absorption of fat, and we'll actually be showing you that in a small experiment in the kitchen in a few minutes. Now each one of these Chitosan Fibre Complex tablets has chitosan, 330 milligrams, trigonella, and fenugreek, which is also known as fenugreek powder, in 110 milligrams. What this does to oil, as you'll see in a minute in our little experiment in real time, is actually blocks the suppression, or suppresses the absorption of fat by blocking it. And as you'll see, we'll be able to make fat drop in a bowl of water. Now, chitosan, especially liposan, which is also included in our product, is soluble in the stomach, meaning that as in a powder form, you can drop it in, and as it reaches the digestive tract, you'll notice that the fat will be absorbed and dropped to the bottom of the cup. Anyway, we'll see you in the kitchen in a few minutes to show you just exactly how this is done. Hey guys, as I promised, we have gotten to the little experiment stage here, and as you can see in front of me, I've drawn up a little diagram, and you can see a little cup there. Now, what we have just here is obviously the fats, oils, lipids, the various things that we cook with, going in, down the digestive tract, and into my simulated digestive system. Now, obviously I've marked it out, and you see my great rendition of Chris Barnfield here at Chitosan Nutrition. And we'll get started. So basically we're just using the Chitosan product. Now inside this Chitosan bottle I've had my pre-arranged tablets in a single dose, so I'll just leave that there. And what we've got here is a cup full of water and a small amount of regular generic brand cooking oil. So I'll just add that, and as you can see the oil floating at the top. There's obviously a little slick layer there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab these tablets, just for the ease of the experiment. I'm going to actually break them open and drop them straight into the top of the mixture. So that's 1, 2, and there we go. Now as you can see, we've just formed a layer of what seems to be like just powder sitting on top of the oil. Now what we'll do is we'll leave that for a few minutes. This water is actually warm, sitting at about 37 degrees, which is approximately the right body temperature. And if I can just zoom in slightly, we'll start to see that the complex is starting to precipitate. The oil is falling right here in this little experiment. And as you can see, the oil is just slowly being absorbed and falling down to the bottom of the cup. Now what this does is it allows the absorbed fats in the digestive tract to pass through the system in a normal, regular bowel movement. So we haven't even stirred or agitated the water here. As you can see, it's still just slowly absorbing the water. The oil, sorry, not the water. We want to keep the water. As you can see, it's a fairly rapid reaction. If I just give that a little agitation with a spoon, a fork, whatever I've got handy here, you'll start to see now that that has actually just formed one big clump. And that is, oh, there it goes, there it drops. And as you can see now, we've got no film at the surface. It has all dropped to the bottom, ready to be passed out in a regular bowel movement. And this is what we call our Cheetah's Delight. Thank you for watching today, and I hope I've explained and showed you something very interesting. If you want to know any more information, please see us at our website in the link below. Thank you. Have a great day.